Hi, today we're going to look at Unit 5, Lesson 5A. Now, this sheet that you're going to get for your notes, this one's going to be broke up into lots of little parts. So remember, you're only doing part of today's notes. By the way, this is Mrs. Oakley, and we're doing Unit 5, Lesson 5A. All right, what is a percent? A percent is a ratio of a number to 100. Okay, so here's an example. If a state charges 6%, so 6%, then you'll pay $6 for every $100 you spent. Okay? All right, so how would we model this? Well, this is kind of fun. So 8, always change it into, I'm going to write that, do it over here, into a fraction. So 8 out of 100. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to just do this part. Now 95. That means 95 of the 100. Okay. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So this part is all colored in except for this last 5. Okay, 47. So 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. So we're coloring in 4 of these. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, pretty easy. All right, 62.5. Well, let's do this. Oop, where did it go? 62.5. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are all colored in. And then I got to do 1 more, 2 more, and then 5 would be half of the second one. Okay. 124. Well, think about it. It's 124 over 100. So we have one full one. So we're going to color in one full one. And then we have 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be colored in. So one whole one and 24 on the second one. Good job. All right, so let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. So we have 7 and 2. So we have 72. All right, we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Put percent behind it. Okay, we have 10, 20. Actually, you know what might be easier to do this? This is a crazy one. Let's do it this way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. So we have 68%. All right, moving down a little bit. All right, so here we have 10 and then half one. So we have 10.5%. And here we have one whole, and we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 51, 52, 53. So we have 153%. Because one whole is equal to 100, right? All right, that's the end of Unit 5, Lesson 5A. Go ahead and head back to class craft, and we'll continue on our pathways. I'll see you back here for Unit 5, Lesson 5B.